In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and share an office manual. 5 minutes. We'll use Notion to create a clear, collaborative guide that your whole team can rely on. Start by logging into Notion. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar. Under Private, click to add a new page. Give it a descriptive name like Office Manual so it's easy to find later. You can keep the page blank or apply a simple template. The key is to keep it clean and easy to navigate. Setting a helpful icon and cover is optional, but it can make the page more recognizable. Now begin building your office manual. Think of it as the single source of truth for how your team works. Use headings for major sections, callouts for important notes, and toggles to keep longer details collapsible. If your manual will grow, consider using subpages for big areas like policies or onboarding. Before writing, define the purpose and scope. Decide who this manual is for, what it covers, and what it doesn't. This keeps it focused and prevents it from becoming a catch-all. Gather content from reliable sources such as HR and IT documents, existing playbooks, and team FAQs. Then outline the structure so readers can scan quickly. A simple top section with a short intro and a contents list helps people jump to what they need. Write clearly and consistently. Use plain language, short paragraphs, and action-oriented steps. Choose a format that fits your team, a single long page with a table of contents, or a hub page that links to subpages. Add key sections like getting started, communication guidelines, tools and access, security and privacy, office policies, and workflows for recurring tasks. As you draft, include examples and links where they add clarity. Review and test the manual. Ask a teammate to try a task using only the manual and note any gaps. Check all links, make sure terminology is consistent, and add a last updated note so everyone knows it's current. When you're ready to collaborate, click share in the top right corner and invite teammates. You can grant full access for editors who will help maintain the manual or limited access for those who only need to view or comment. Choose the level that protects accuracy while enabling helpful feedback. Finally, you can share the manual to a team space for broad visibility or directly to individual teammates. If it's not fully ready, keep it private or share with a small group first. That's it. Your office manual is built, clear, and shared with the right people.